This is after the Christmas extravaganza. There's paper on the dog.
Okay, what's on your lip?
There's spit up on the baby.
Is spit up on there?
Kinda looks like a Lisbo. And these are all the gifts.
Wait.
We got
body wash and the lotion. And I love Carmel.
Nope.
Why isn't she freaking out?
You gotta scratch your butt, scratch it.
No, I was putting my...
It's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
It was Hawaiian.
Oh yeah, that feels good, so. No, what are you doing?
What a mental napkin.
Okay.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
She's going to get that toilet paper out of her.
No, it's funny.
Nobody wants to touch it.
Oh my god, you are so cute right now. Okay, this video is so cute of Sophie. Look at my little puppy. Hello. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Who's ticklish, huh?
Clearly not Sophie.
Is my doggy ticklish? Are you ticklish, Sophie? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Oh, rubbed a belly.
Your tattoo's in the perfect spot. It looks like she has a black belly button.
It looks like a mole from this angle.
Wait, look, show Carmel.
What's your staring at, Grandpa?
Oh, because Grandpa's got something shiny.
Grandpa?
You mean Uncle?
You mean Dad?
I think it's always going to be Uncle forever.
Look good. Everything look good right now. Especially my mom. Look good.
Absolutely. Well, we're doing the and I think we're going to try to get Bella.
Say something nice to the camera.
So I think we're going to try to get Bella over there.
I'm very uncreative.
Ew, you suck. Sophie's the only person I love. I fucking love you.
I haven't seen somebody